Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications that come from the site datainformative.com. Datainformative.com is truly a malicious site that tries to trick its visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. You should be very careful whenever you see these pop-ups because they may display pretty misleading and even malicious messages trying to force people into downloading such potentially unwanted applications. At the first glance, it looks as if such pop-ups are spread by some decent antivirus software authors, but in reality there is no connection between these pop-ups and any decent antivirus programs. In fact, all these alerts may be the result of certain adware type program to be currently active in your computer. First thing I recommend you to do is to research the control panel of your program of your computer and uninstall any suspicious utilities that you might find here. It often happens that visually the system is free of any other threats, but you still can see some strange browser behavior. You may see unwanted pop-ups attacking your screen periodically, and obviously this pretty much annoys you. To fix your system completely and to remove any hidden malware, I recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, so use this green download button, install the program, and start carefully researching and investigating your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.